Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you 7 best air compressor. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. First of all, Cordless Tire Inflator Air Compressor. Compatible with DEWALT 20V max battery, live-only portable handheld air pump with digital pressure gauge for cars, motorcycles, bikes, sportballs, auto. Brand, live-only. Voltage, 20 volts. Power source, battery powered. Special feature, automatic shut-off, digital, portable. Included components, battery, charger, tire inflator. Battery-powered, live-only air compressor compatible with DEWALT 20V lithium-ion batteries. Include one 4Ah live-only battery and 3 A60W fast charger. The live-only battery fit for DEWALT tool, the charger station fit for DEWALT battery. Metal inflatable structure, portable air compressor composed of metal cylinder and metal gear, live-only air pump for car could continuously work for 20 minutes. The maximum air pressure could reach 160 psi, meet the needs of 4 tires at a time. Universal fit compatible with DEWALT battery and fast charger. This inflator comes with our high-capacity 4Ah battery, compatible with DEWALT tools for ultimate convenience. Paired with a powerful 3 A60W fast charger, it can quickly charge for DEWALT batteries, ensuring you're ready to tackle any task without delays. Fast inflation, air compressor portable equipped with a 25mm large cylinder and brushless motor, inflate fast, up to 30 liters per minute. Tires of size 195/65/R15 can be filled in less than 3.5 minutes. The built-in flashlight with 2 modes, SOS, steady light, makes portable tire inflator perfect for nighttime emergencies or low-light conditions. Automatic shut-off, car air pump provides auto shut-off function. The air compressor for car will shut off automatically at the desired level, no overinflating. The accuracy of the indicated pressure is plus or minus 0.5 psi. The bike pump comes with 4 nozzles, bike tire pump fit for automotive, SUVs, cars, motors, basketball, inflatable pool toys, etc. Number 2. ETENWOLF VORTEX S6. Tire inflator portable air compressor for heavy-duty vehicle. Cordless air pump for car and inflatables with 19,200 mAh battery. 100% duty cycle and dual cylinder bike pump, vivid orange. Brand ETENWOLF. Voltage 12 volts. Recommended uses for product tire inflation. Power source battery powered. Noise level 78 dB. ETENWOLF VORTEX S6 cordless air compressor excels at inflating heavy-duty vehicles quickly, such as pickups, trucks, off-road vehicles, not to mention regular cars, bicycles, balls, pool floats, and air mattresses, not for SUPs. Built-in 19,200 mAh lithium battery, VORTEX S6 can inflate 18 F-150 tires, 245/70/R1731 inch, from 30 to 35 psi on full charge. Along with USB-C 45W dual-direction fast charging port, capable of both rapid charging and powering electronic devices. 100% duty cycle, highly durable dual cylinder coupled with the dedicated cooling system, you can continuously inflate all 4 tires of F-150, 245/70/R1731 inch, from 0 to 35 psi, without the need for brakes in between. Auto stop, the portable tire inflator for car stops automatically when the target pressure is reached. It also has 7 preset modes and preset pressure memory. 1000 lumens LED light provides ample illumination in the darkness. You can even use it as a camping lantern. Number 3. Airmoto tire inflator portable air compressor air pump for car tires with digital pressure gauge, LED light and auto shut-off function, cordless pump for car, motorcycle, bicycle, balls and more. Brand Airmoto. Voltage 7.4 volts. Recommended uses for product tire inflation. Power source battery powered. Noise level 78 dB. About this item. Quick and accurate, built with the highest quality materials, Airmoto is a portable tire inflator for car, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and bicycles. Quickly inflate your vehicle's tires in just minutes with precision accuracy up to 120 psi. Small and compact car air pump that fits in your glove box or trunk. Auto shut off. Use the plus and control buttons on the Airmoto to easily select your desired pressure. Simply connect the air hose to your car and press the middle start button on the electric air pump. Once the correct pressure has been reached, the Airmoto will automatically shut off. The cordless car tire pump makes it easy to reach all tires without a hassle. Main highlights: easily change between PSA, kPa, bar, and kg/cm pressure units with a push of a button, easy to read large LCD, digital tire pressure gauge, built-in LED flashlight for low light conditions, deflate button for decreasing pressure, air hose stores inside, powerful 2000 mAh rechargeable battery with fast recharging, rated to 120 psi. Note, battery performance depends on a number of factors: tire size and type. Inflating larger or high-pressure tires can drain the battery more quickly. Temperature: cold weather can reduce battery efficiency. Proper charging: for optimal battery performance, it is recommended to fully charge the pump before every use. Number 4. Keen Power Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. 2x faster, 21V rechargeable battery-powered handheld 160 psi tire inflator, dual power supply modes, air pump for car, motorcycle, e-bike. Brand: Keen Power. Voltage: 21 volts. Recommended uses for product: tire inflation. Power source: battery-powered. Noise level: 78 dB. Dual power supply modes: when tire inflator in cordless mode, power up with the 21V rechargeable battery. When corded mode is needed, simply plug in the 12V DC car charger at the back of the tire inflator. It's a reliable emergency inflation solution when battery is low on the go. Say goodbye to the frustration of dead batteries and hello to uninterrupted adventures. With a maximum pressure of 160 psi, Keen Power Portable Air Compressor is suitable for multiple kinds of tire inflating needs, not suitable for large truck tires. Its ergonomic handle design makes it comfortable to hold, or you can place it on the ground, while its high-powered motor and excellent cooling system deliver a powerful and efficient inflating experience. With the ability to detect and automatically shut off when your preferred pressure is achieved, no need to worry about overinflating your tire. The built-in flashlight with 3 modes, SOS, steady light, and strobe, makes Keen Power Portable Tire Inflator perfect for nighttime emergencies or low-light conditions. With a quick-charging DC port, the battery of Keen Power Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor can be fully charged in just 1 hour, so you never have to wait long to get back on the road. Plus, our battery also features a QC 3.0 USB output port, allowing you to quickly charge your phone or other devices while on the go. Number 5. Tire Inflator Air Compressor. Compatible with DEWALT 20V battery power. Livable 160 psi cordless portable electric air pump with digital pressure gauge for car, motorcycles, bike, ball, auto. Brand: Livable. Voltage: 20 volts. Recommended uses for product: tire inflation. Power source: battery powered. Noise level: 75 dB. Battery powered, livable air compressor compatible with DEWALT 18V/20V lithium-ion battery. Easy to use even when car tire air pump, no power supply outdoors, as long as you bring batteries. Warm tip: cordless tire inflator does not include any batteries. Metal inflatable structure, portable air compressor composed of metal cylinder and metal gear. Livable air pump for car could continuously work for 20 minutes. The maximum air pressure could reach 160 psi, meet the needs of 4 tires at a time. Fast inflation, air compressor portable equipped with a 25 mm large cylinder and brushless motor, inflate fast, up to 30 L/min. Tires of size 195/65/R15 can be filled in less than 3.5 minutes. The built-in flashlight with 2 modes, SOS, steady light, makes portable tire inflator perfect for nighttime emergencies or low-light conditions. Automatic shut-off, car air pump provides auto shut-off function. The air compressor for car will shut off automatically at the desired level, no overinflating. The accuracy of the indicated pressure is plus or minus 0.5 psi. The bike pump comes with 4 nozzles, bike tire pump fit for automotive, SUVs, cars, motors, basketball, inflatable pool toys, etc. Bigger LCD present more. Tire pump include the bigger digital gauge will display both the desired tire pressure value and the current tire pressure and low battery reminder. The unit of air pressure bar, kPa, kg, and psi. Air pump for inflatables are 4 preset modes for you to choose from: car, motorcycle, bicycle, basketball. Note: not suitable for large truck tires. Number 6. Cordless Tire Inflator Air Compressor. Compatible with DEWALT 20V max battery, 160 psi portable air pump with digital pressure gauge. Fast inflation for cars, motorcycles. Brand, DEWALT. Voltage, 20 volts. Recommended uses for product: tire inflation. Power source, battery powered. Noise level, 58 dB. Rapid inflation, anytime, anywhere. Experience lightning fast inflation with our Air Compressor Portable 20V and its 25mm air cylinder, boasting speeds of up to 30 liters per minute. Say goodbye to long waits. Inflate a 195/65 or 15 tire in just 3.5 minutes. The built-in flashlight with SOS and steady light modes ensures you're prepared for emergencies day or night. Battery-powered tire inflator, DEWALT's cordless air compressor compatible with DEWALT 18V/20V lithium-ion batteries. Important notice: this cordless tire inflator does not include any battery. Heavy-duty metal build and bright LED design, engineered with a robust metal air cylinder and gears, our tire inflator 20V cordless can handle pressures up to 160 psi, running continuously for 20 minutes. The integrated LED work light ensures you can inflate with confidence, even in the darkest conditions. Precision inflation made simple: just set your target pressure and let our portable air compressor do the rest. With an automatic shutoff that stops within plus or minus 1 psi, you can trust that your tires will always be safely and accurately inflated with our cordless tire inflator air compressor. Built to last, made with tough, frost and heat-resistant materials, our tire inflator portable air compressor is ready for any challenge. Go cordless and enjoy the freedom to inflate tires wherever you need with our air pump for car tires. Number 7. DEWALT Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. 20V max, air pump with automatic shut-off, LED light, tool only. Color, black, yellow. Brand, DEWALT. Material, blend. Item weight, 6.39 pounds. High pressure inflation mode with automatic shutoff. High volume inflation and deflation modes. LED light helps to provide illumination. 3 power sources for inflation on a job site and on the go. Convenient onboard accessory storage. Heavy-duty rubber feet help reduce walking when in use. Threaded chuck for secure connection to inflation valve. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.